Look at this boat. Isn't it neat? Wouldn't you think our boating is complete? It's not. Oh, I almost fell.
Two different for that.
Yeah.
Having that all done, these will be done. These all get thrown.
The other side of the bulkhead to make the L.
Oh, just
that
on this
has
side.
to like.
Yeah, I just don't want to waste when we don't have to.
Yeah.
Yeah, it seems. Why does it seem louder? Because we're like colder and everything's kind of.
You could probably plunge in maybe where we think.
More over on this side, so.
M4000 and we're thinking little tiny L. Probably do a steel plate on the back side. That'll work. So we can use that. We can use that. It's expensive, but it's good.
Yeah.
Yeah, I gotta finish up. We'll probably be in that video as well. So we're gonna take the wiring panel off. Take this panel off, pull the wires out. I'm going to hook up the battery in the front, and we're gonna. They should all say what they all do, and they do say something, but it's not the most clear, I guess. So we're gonna take them off, mark them. We brought tape and a pencil, and there's actually tape there too, so we can label the wires. That way when we get ready to change them out, when we pull the wire through, we'll know which one's supposed to go through. We're just gonna attach it to this, pull it to where it goes, start, and then we'll all have a home up here, hopefully. Next time, we'll bring the drill to make a bigger hole for all of that wiring. Yeah. This thing barely fits in this. It barely fit in the slot, Trevor. It's just so big. Look at how big it is. It's a nice day today, though. Show everybody how nice of a day it is.
I could if these tarps weren't here.
Just
I'll take a walk on the wild side. Do 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 do. All right, look at that Pacific Northwest splendor. Oh, oh. I was just thinking like more monk type stuff, but yeah, that works for Little Mermaid too.
Trevor's having a 1-900 phone call. But I got this out. So boom! The old panel. Look at the wires in the back. Pretty simple setup. Which makes sense for what it was. But the plan is to take this out, put wood around here, fill this back in again, and then put the panel up there. Show you real quick. Going on another adventure. So that shelf that we made will be here. The wiring is going to come out from down here, basically where this is, straight over to here, up here, out, and stay inside of that box until it gets up to here, where hopefully this box will then live, and then wires let's go boop, right into there where that hole is, essentially. Keeping most of it somewhat covered up. We'll still cover it with like a PVC pipe or something so it's not really visible, just for my own mental happiness, I guess, for lack of better phrasing. It's gonna be kind of a weird day today, but aren't they all for us? So mostly just following wires. All right, now you should really have power. All right. I was just messing with you last time. I still have no light though. Oh wait, because we unhooked it. What am I thinking?
What?
Because we unhooked the wire for the power for that light. So I'm pushing the button and I'm like, it's not working! Right now they're all pushed in, so they should all be powered. Yes, all Trevor. With all of your might. What's the next one say?
Sail! That was my AWOL nation.
I think we checked it before and they were working, but...
Yeah. Will he fall in, ladies and gentlemen?
Yeah, this one's on.
Time will tell. All right, next, auxiliary. Have we ever tried to turn on the
CB radio?
Yeah.
No.
You said pulled out is on?
Yeah, no, pushed in is on.
No. Okay, what about this? INS.
The instruments? Also nothing.
I don't know.
I don't know. Goes to here. So I'm betting it goes to, it does. It goes to that box right there. Sorry for getting in everybody's face. But maybe that gauge down there, it might go to. It's underneath your bum.
There's a bum gauge in here?
Yeah, it tells you how strong your flat tool is. That would be. Not this.
this gauge. What the hell is that attached to?
The depth gauge in the front.
Oh.
But that is the problem.
Have you ever tried to turn that thing on?
No.
Joe.
I mean, we don't have. We know the nav lights work, so we can wrap that one up. We don't. That's the most important thing. That and the CB radio.
Well, yeah, but we have no idea how to turn the CB radio on.
Oh, if we rerun the wiring, we will.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
do I just cut the wires off? Because we're not going to use those wires anyway.
I would think, because we're not even going to use this cluster anymore, right? Honestly, I would probably literally snip everything and just rerun exactly where you.
I don't want to cut.
Because you're going to want to beautify all the wires anyway, so why wouldn't we just like leave spots to reattach like they did here?
So, instead of trying to find what all the wires go to, I really just want to mark the navigation light one. That would be the most important one to me. But even then, for that, we can hook it to that, hook the white wire to it, and then just pull it through.
Yeah.
And then when it gets there, you just undo it, and then you be done.
Welcome to Coffee with Trevor on Wednesday mornings. Mmm.
Where did I put that?
Nice rich blend. Black.
It's rich because Trevor's made of money.
Mm-hmm. As I'm hemorrhaging it. Hemmering. Ernest Hemmeringway. I can't even.
It's got stuff in it. You just can't even
How did they even like
connect it all?
Yeah.
You crawl in here, say.
I can be the big spoon.
Should have brought the headlamp.
Where is that?
It's in my pocket. It's not in my pocket.
Something in my front pocket for you.
Well, I'm gonna have to run those two wires now. A little bit at least. I'll use a little bit just to know those are the two wires that we really have to worry about.
Yeah.
Sorry to whoever did all this. See what you can see. It's getting easier to move around now.
That's so weird.
Who doesn't get?
Clip in front of the tape, yeah, I was gonna say.
Clip behind it, snap. No!
Freedom!
Anybody that wants a souvenir from the boat, we'll mail it to you.
At your own cost. No, I'm just kidding.
Some of the screws are on the crunchy side.
Noise.
It's noise.
Charge.
Hey, there's wires all over this thing.
Well, I'm just thinking it might give you some cushion.
But for the pushing, I might need some pushing to get in here.
Yeah.
I'm gonna need a flashlight.
Big man in a little hole.
In a little boat. So this thing has absolutely nothing in it. Interesting. Okay. This is gonna be fun.
I don't know if you'll be able to get in there. I wonder if I can get.
Oh,
like,
I can get in here.
I wonder. Hold on, stay down there.
There's wires down there that aren't even hooked to anything. And this one's not hooked to anything either. The USB was hooked to literally nothing.
Oh. Ah! Tell them how you feel.
It's coming down.
What is it? What is it?
Ah!
Fool me once, shame on me. Fool me twice.
Still shame on me.
What is that thing?
It's a little shell.
Is it like a... Oh.
It was in the side of the boat.
Interesting. Yeah, now we can take that to the dumpster.
Not to the bank. Here you go. Look. Okay, this is not gonna be fun.
Well, I don't think you're actually gonna be able to get like in it.
Now it's just a challenge. I'm not gonna get my whole body in there. Although now I'm curious, if I'm being completely honest, whether or not I can. I'm doing it, guys.
He's practicing for his spelunking career.
You see that? Are you guys having fun with our content? Make sure to subscribe and buy a shirt. when we get to 200 subscribers, somebody else gets another free shirt.
Welcome to Drab TV with your host, Drabby and Trevor.
Why is everything so sharp?
Kind of like our wit.
What's right here? Nothing? There's no, must just have.
Alright, I'm gonna stop recording.
I'm learning so much stuff.
Okay.
We could just build the new this. This whole thing.
Oh yeah, dude.
And the top.
I think we totally could with not very much effort involved.
And just take this out and use it as a template.
Yeah.
My biggest concern is that wiring that has the tape on it.
Alright guys, we are going to start kind of just snipping wire from everything because we've come to the consensus that as long as we have like 6-ish inches of wiring coming from, you know, our navigation lights or switches or our radio over here, we can kind of choose to reroute whatever wiring we want around the boat to kind of beautify that and not have it just kind of hanging around like it was previously. So we're kind of just going for it as Henry screams in panic down here.
I was just joking, there's no power.
Just the power of our thoughts and motivations. All right, so I'm gonna start snipping some stuff. Ugh.
Don't cut all the ones that are going across to the back though.
Back of the boat? Well, I'll cut this nav light here.
The white one and the other white one, those ones can be cut. Alright, just that little brick.
All right. We're getting too old to be jumping around a little boat. Ow. I'm tripping. I'm falling. I can't get up.
Can I see those connectors for just a second?
See what?
Alright, I'm gonna climb back up.
All right. Let me get in position.
That's I thought I would.
Did you buy some pants that actually fit your body?
I had these pants.
Oh.
Ah! I can't remember.
If you like watching two idiots try to figure out how to work on a boat, then please like and subscribe.
I gotta
Hit that notification button.
be notified when Henry's stuck.
When Henry gets stuck inside of a small boat.
It's so much easier getting out.
That's what she said.
I know.
I know, it's
Yeah. It works either way.
That's probably more than what he said. He did it, guys. I feel like you should subscribe and like just because of watching him rebirth himself out of a small
The car's
hole.
birthed half Mexican. Oh, fuck. How much white do I have on my ass?
Pretty good amount.
That's the half Mexican part.
Good job. Good job.
Good job. Good job.
Yeah, no, just kidding.
That one doesn't even be there. Wherever that one went. Moment of truth cut coming up right now. We're gonna cut this out and leave these wires here hanging down. Put some tape on them probably. This one down into here. Don't know where it was connected. And my biggest concern is that wiring that has the tape on it. Perfect. What's that? I'm gonna cut all these wires. Okay. All of these wires.
All the wires are
All of these wires. Wires for free.
All of these wires.
So now these wires we have to pull, like with this attached to it that way. See? You guys just went on a really weird adventure. It's recording, so it's all whoa.
Let me see what it's connected to over here. This way. Ow. There we go.
It's so fuzzy though.
With all the germs. Oh, you sicken me. And that was the end of Two Guys, One Boat.
For this episode.
Forever.
Oh. Trevor, what did we do today?
We dewired the boat.
Yeah, not all of it. We left some of the wires so we can use it to pull the new wire through to where the old wire went. But we took out that little panel as you saw. We brought symbolic wiring. Show that we like did the wiring part that we wanted to do.
Yeah, trophy.
Yes, it's our own little trophy. But it's also gorgeous outside.
Yeah.
So Trevor's gonna go on a hike. I'm gonna let the dogs out for a bit and then go to work because I didn't get a phone call saying I don't work.
Yep.
So yeah, that was about it. Next time we're out, we're gonna. What are we gonna do next time we're out?
I don't know. Maybe finish up the shelves. We could also take those old boxed shelving units off, maybe if we want to, and
Use them as a template.
yeah, use them as a template for some new ones.
We left the little bars that all the wires connected to in the spots where they were, just to, in case we need them again later. We'll see how that goes. I don't think we should.
Yeah, I don't know. I think, you know, we're every time we come out, we're a little bit more aware of like things that we could do to to progress forward. I think, which is
We
important.
forgot the garbage bag. We were gonna do.
We did. We did forget the garbage bag.
All right, so yeah, we're gonna let you guys go. We're gonna put the windows down because it's nice out. We want fresh air.
Yeah.
And we can't think of anything else to say. No beer. Nothing's open.
No beers. We're behaving ourselves.
But there's alcohol at home.
the most important thing.
You want to whisk away?
Yeah.
What is it looking at?
It's looking through the hole where the drawer was.
Oh, I'm like looking at a good through hole.
Yeah.
Hey guys!
It's a boat glory hole.
This is the weirdest glory hole ever. Don't sneak up behind me. I don't know if you see it above the counter.
Oh God!
Can I see that screwdriver?
Screwdriver. I don't know where it is.
I don't know. It's over there somewhere.
Are they in the back of the boat?
I don't know why they would be.
Everybody move to the back of the boat.